Have you ever wondered how to make a photo like this one? Either you're looking to do a YouTube thumbnail or anything related to any project that you're looking for. Here's how they do it for free, totally for free, no editing needed, no optimization, no customization, and at the same time, no need for Gemini, neither for Nano or any other software. All you have to do is follow my instruction till the end of this video so I can show you exactly how to do it. And not only that, how to edit with one click or make it high CTR for YouTube. So go to chatgpt, and here is an example that I just made for you guys. I asked chatgpt to create a man holding his paper saying chatgpt on it. And here's the cool part. If I click on the edit button, I can change the aspect ratio for it. So whether it's for TikTok, Instagram, YouTube video, or any other option that you're trying to make this photo for, I can simply choose it with one click. And here's the other cool part. If I click on the select areas, I can simply highlight what I want to change to a different text, let's say, and click on next. ChatGPT will simply change my text to anything that I desire for. This is what grabbed my attention the most. If I go and I ask ChatGPT to make this photo high CTR for YouTube, this is how ChatGPT will change your image or thumbnail to something more interesting. So I'll definitely suggest choosing ChatGPT for thumbnail or any different ideas that you guys want to do. And don't forget, it's totally free. No need for payments and no need for editing. No need for Gemini with WATERMARK, nor Nano which will ask you for money. You're welcome.